Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Monday's Daily Financial Review. Here's what's making the headlines in the markets today.
The dollar-yen price remained largely unchanged in the last session. The stochastic RSI indicates an overbought market. The Bitcoin got a slight bump of 0.2% against the dollar in the last session. The Williams indicator indicates an overbought market. The gold-dollar pair plummeted 1.7% in the last session. The CCI is giving a negative signal. The oil-dollar pair gained 0.5% in the last session after rising as much as 1% during the session. The ultimate oscillator is giving a negative signal.
Coming up, the choices from our chief analysts for today.
China and India are both expected to see a hike in demand for crude. Despite the Russian sanctions and OPEC's surprise supply cut, crude prices have managed to sustain their gains. Economic sanctions imposed on Russia and other countries by the United States put the dollar's dominance at risk as targeted nations seek out an alternative, Treasury Secretary Janet Yellen said. The dollar index bounced off a one-year low against the basket of currencies to end last week after some March retail sales components were not as weak as some economists had feared, while Fed officials warned that the US central bank needs to continue hiking interest rates to bring down inflation.
Those were today's major economic events. And now, moving on to world financial headlines.
The US NAHB Housing Market Index will be released at 1400 hours GMT. The US 3-month bill auction at 1530 GMT. The US 6-month bill auction at 1530 GMT. The US total net TIC flows will be released at 2000 hours GMT. Italy's Consumer Price Index at 0900 hours GMT. Germany's German Buber monthly report at 1000 hours GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Monday's financial review. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.